Hey everyone, this is class 7th biology video of lesson number 5. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is photosynthesis. Right? I hope you all are familiar with this word. It's very common for us now because we are studying this word from very lower class. Okay, for the understanding I can tell you that photo means light and synthesis means to make. Means when the plants make their food in the presence of light, that is called photosynthesis. So in this chapter we are going to discuss that what is photosynthesis. Then we will discuss about the factors affecting photosynthesis. Means factor means that we will discuss that with which thing we can increase the process of photosynthesis. Means with which things plants can increase photosynthesis, and with what they can their photosynthesis get decreased. Right, next we will discuss the significances of photosynthesis. Very easy and very short chapter. So let's start. First of all, beta, all the organisms need energy to live and grow. We know this thing very well, that everyone needs energy to live and grow. And from where we get this energy? We get this energy from food. And from where we get the food? Food we get from the plants directly or indirectly. We get it from the plants. How? If somebody says that the person is carnivorous, then how he depends on plants? Better, then answer will be, if anyone is carnivorous, means the person is eats only animals, then better think about it very deeply, that if somebody eats animals, then animals eats what? Animals eats plant, na? What I am saying actually, that if somebody says that human eats animal, better than animal eats what? They eats plants. Some humans eat plants and some eats animal. But if you see this thing deeply, then you will understand that we are directly or indirectly, we depends on plants. Getting? So plants on the other hand make their own food. We know this thing, that plants make their food own, by their own. So they do so by a process called photosynthesis. So the process of making food by the plants is called photosynthesis. So next is, what is photosynthesis? Beta, the green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So that's why we call it, this mode of nutrition is autotrophic. Auto means होता है बेटा self. Auto means self. And trophic means nourishment. Those who do their self nourishment by their self, they are called autotrophic. Right? Green plants are also called producers. Why we call them producers? Because they produce the food. Getting? That food we humans eat and animals eat. Everyone depends on the green plants. So these are called producers or autotrophs. So the process by which green plants use energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar, that is called glucose, in the presence of green colored pigment chlorophyll, is called photosynthesis. He has given it in the detail, that actually what is photosynthesis. Beta, the process of photosynthesis, as we know that it's a process of making food is called photosynthesis, but actually what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use energy. Which energy? The energy that they take from the sun. सन से जो लाइट लेते हैं, वो लाइट हेल्प करती है टू कन्वर्ट, जो इन्वायरमेंट से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं उसको एंड वाटर को, लाइक सन की लाइट को यूज़ करते हैं किस लिए? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर को ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ, और कौन सी चीज़ इसमें प्रेजेंट रहती है? ग्रीन कलर्ड पिगमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड chlorophyll. See here, this is a plant, and through the roots plant is taking water, and carbon dioxide plant is taking from the environment, sunlight is taking from the sun, and they all together green pigment in the leaves and stem, they all together helps to produce oxygen, water vapors and glucose. See here, see the reaction of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they form glucose and oxygen. So glucose produced is transported from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. जो भी ग्लूकोज प्रोड्यूस होता है उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दिया जाता है फर्दर टू द लीव्स एंड अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्टार्च. नोट इट बेटा. ग्लूकोज इज ऑल्सो कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्टार्च एंड stored in the various storage organs with the plant. ग्लूकोज को अगर स्टोर करना है तो ग्लूकोज को स्टार्च में चेंज करके स्टोर किया जाता है प्लांट में फॉर द फर्दर यूज़, ताकि बाद में वो इस एनर्जी को यूज़ कर लें कन्वर्ट करके. ऑक्सीजन रिलीज्ड ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस इज़ यूज्ड बाय ऑल ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू ब्रीथ. इस प्रोसेस के दौरान जो ऑक्सीजन बाहर आती है दैट इज यूज्ड बाय द ऑल अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू ब्रीथ. Right? So next we will discuss in next video beta. Thank you.